Hi. Sorry, I lost track. I'm actually on one day left, so I'm gonna do two and one in the same video. 2 days left yesterday. Oh my gosh, I got so excited. More excited than ever. And now there's only one day left. I can't believe it. Tomorrow I will find out if I'm going to Arizona. Yes! I'm crazy right now, I know. But I can't help it. So, I hope I get to go. I have two people I gotta see in Arizona right now. It used to be one, but then I found out my grandma's in Arizona right now, so I'm dying to see her too. Marcy Kelly. Wow, that was awkward. But yeah, I'll tell you guys tomorrow if I get to go or not.